Okay, this is my third time filming this. Let's try it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming out in the living area because I have lost my tripod. I have no idea where it went. Somewhere it's lost in the move. So I just wanted to share some unboxings because they've been driving me crazy sitting on my desk. But this is what I have for you today. It is the Scooby Doo LIL Diamonds collection from Diamond Art Club. The actual thing is called Scooby Dooby Doo. Like the actual canvas is called Scooby Dooby Doo. And it is a 23 by 23 centimeter little diamond kit. This is a new collection from Diamond Art Club. They are just super beginner friendly, small, affordable diamond paintings. This is the box here. I believe this one was $14.99 on their website, and they have a whole bunch of other ones. Most of them are, actually I think all of them are like little cartoon characters, but Scooby Doo is my husband's favorite from when he was a kid, so I always get like the Scooby Doo ones because it makes me think of him and I think it's cute. Anyways, so without further ado, we're gonna hop into this bad boy because I've had it for quite a while and I've been wanting to share it with you. So first things first, you get your diamond painting toolkit. It still comes in this really cute little, well, it's not cute, but it's really like heavy duty Ziploc bag. It's really nice. I reuse these for like storing all of my diamond painting accessories. Now the Little Diamonds collection does not come with any of the extra fancy stuff. Like the washi tape or the, what is that called? Washi tape or cover minder. But you do get a bunch of bags. Diamond Art Club has really good bags. You get a diamond painting pin, a matching grippy, I'll just put that like that for a second, a little tray. Now this is a smaller tray and less like sturdy quality than you would get with their main like Diamond Art Club collection kits, but it's still a nice tray. It's just not like that hard plastic. It's more like a normal affordable tray, if that makes sense. And then it comes with a 4-placer and 2 pads of wax, but it does not come in a heart-shaped container. It just comes 2 little pads of wax. So there's that. And then I also did find in the box one of their small stickers. I use these in a little Diamond Art Club exclusive logbook that I have. I literally just put the sticker in there and that's it. But I know some people use these to like label their boxes for storage. Like if you wanted to put it on the bottom of here, or I don't know, if you wanted to cut out the picture and put it in a planner, because I have done that before too. There's that. And then the kit does still come in a nice little plastic dust cover. So you just open this bad boy up. I haven't even opened this yet, so I'm very excited. I haven't looked at the drills, nothing. Okay, so inside the canvas, you just slide this right out and you get your little thank you card, thanks for your purchase, information about their online presence on the back, instructions, what's in the kit, the VIP, etc. So you get this, nice. And I was curious if they were gonna do this or not, but they do, and I'm so excited. They are giving you the sticker sheet here that has like all of the start and finish information. I always just cut this out and put it in my diamond painting log. And then you get your already cut stickers for labeling your baggies, etc. So it looks like there are 26 colors in this one with 2 special ones and possibly 2 ABs. So that's exciting. Okay, let's break into it. So this is the cutest little bag of drills I think I've ever seen. Obviously it's just Scooby Doo colors, kind of dark, kind of cute. Let's open this up and see what the special drills are. I honestly wasn't expecting special drills with how cheap this kit was. Sorry, not cheap, affordable. To me, cheap isn't like a bad connotation because I am cheap. Like I like to spend the least amount of money. But whatever, I know it has a bad connotation. So let's see here. So we've got the purples, those are just regular. Just a small bit of 310, etc. All the browns. And then we've got small amounts of all of these ones. What in the world? Oh, this must be for his collar. Do you see this? So this is like, I think they call these electro. It's hard to see, but it is like metallic gold. That's gonna look so good. I think that goes on Scooby's collar. And then there's this one, and it is Z162, and I think this is, yeah, it's a fairy dust, which is super hard to see on camera. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm gonna try. Come on. Fairy dust is super, super hard to catch on camera anyways. So, sorry if you can't see it. So there's only one AB, and it is the 141, so you can see that a lot better. But it's just a white AB, so exciting. So, with that, let's look at the canvas, because I'm pretty sure that we've got some glow in the dark on here, and we've got, for sure, the gold, which I can only imagine that goes on his collar, right? All right, this is the smallest little canvas I've ever seen in my life, but I love it. So here it is. It's called Scooby Dooby Doo. Super cute. You've got a lot of color blocking in this background. And then, yeah, so here's that. All right, let me find where, yes, so all of the metallic goes right here in his collar, on the ring, and then around here. And then it's not glow in the dark, it's fairy dust. I don't know what I was talking about, glow in the dark. The fairy dust goes right here on this light edge of his collar. So that's where the fairy dust goes. And then where does okay. And then the white ABs, there's a small amount. You have a tiny dot, literally one dot in the center of his eyes. And then right on the tip of his nose is AB. And then right here on the collar is also the white AB. So yeah, that is it. Just a super fun little kit. I've been wanting to work this one up, but before I did so, I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm probably gonna work on this one in between my next two kits. So this will be finished pretty quickly. I mean, obviously it's gonna go pretty quick here in the background, but you know, here you've got what? So the background is one color, so then you have 25 other colors in just Scooby. So this might go a little bit slower, but it's still a small kit, so it'll get worked up pretty quick. But that is it. Let me know what you guys think of the Little Diamonds collection. I, for one, am all for it. I love little snack size kits. I love that I get Diamond Art Club quality with snack size kits now. And I'm very excited about it. I'm curious, actually, is this the... No, I don't think this is the perforated. It's not. I don't think. Because I know they're sending out some kits with the perforated, I don't see anything. Yeah, with the perforated plastic, but this kit did not come with it. So anyways, I've never seen the perforated plastic, so I had to sit there and think about it for a second because I totally forgot about it because I don't know. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think of the Little Diamonds collection down below. I'm all for it, like I said. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for dealing with the Hot Mess Express that is my filming setup lately. But I really appreciate you guys being here. I hope you're having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this. If you're interested in wax or diamond painting videos, this is a channel for you. And please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time.